Welcome. Let's learn how to pray the Muslim way. In order to pray, we must purify ourselves through the process of wudu. We begin the prayer by making intention from our heart to pray to Allah. The moment we say Allahu Akbar with our hands raised by our ears, our prayer actually begins. This is one rak'ah. We will do this 2, 3, or 4 times depending on the prayer. We have 5 daily prayers a day. And your prayer is done. Thank you for joining me. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.